Here we have the Wind-Up Bird Chronicle by Japanese author Haruki Murakami, first published in 1994 and here published by the Folio Society in 2023. The book is translated by Jay Rubin and is illustrated by Colombian artist Daniel Liévano. The book is bound in fine blocked cloth that easily picks up hairs and dust sadly, and it comes with a die-cut slipcase. The book is matching the other two Murakami books from the Folio Society, and the book opens up very well, and the endpapers are illustrated. The book is Smyth-sewn, it's printed on Abbey Wove paper, the paper is smooth, fairly thick, cream colored and acid free. The text is printed in two colors, black and blue, throughout, with integrated illustrated motifs. The book is printed and bound in Italy by Lego. There are 6 color illustrations with yellow motifs on the reverse, as well as a frontispiece by Daniel Liévano. Liévano is, for the third time, the illustrator for this Murakami series from the Folio Society, and he has once again captured the dreamlike state of Murakami's prose in a perfect way. I can only say that I hope they will continue the series until every Murakami book is covered.